What's going on, guys? It's Ryan here. And have you ever wondered what comes with the DJI CARE Refresh package for the DJI Mini 2? Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. And here's the box of the DJI Mini 2. Quick look on the side. It claims ultra lightweight, foldable, less than 249 grams, 31 minutes max flight time, 10 kilometers OcuSync 2 with HD video transmission, 8.5 to 10.5 meters per second, level 5 wind resistance, 3-axis gimbal camera with the 4K video capability, panorama, quick shots, one-tap videos. And then there's a label that tells you about the DJI Fly app. DJI CARE Refresh. It's available on Android as well as Apple Store. But actually at the time of making this video in 2022, it's no longer available straight off of the Google Play Store. Alright, so that's the box. Let's open it up. Oh, I just scratched the box. I just scratched the box. No! I don't have a knife, as you can see. Actually, I think I do. But anyways. There's a tab here on the bottom. Let's just see if we can clip that. And here we are. It's the Mavic Mini 2. Inside, and the Mini 2. Got the gimbal guard here. The props are taped closed, and it does not have a battery. So just to remind you, this is the DJI CARE Refresh version, and so it's just the drone that they provide you with. Okay, so there's that. And is there anything underneath? There is nothing. So it's basically the whole box without all the accessories. And is there anything underneath here? There is not. So normally you would find the controller in here, but because this is the refresh version, there's no controller, there's no accessories, it's just the drone. Now I kind of wish that if it was something more like Apple, where they have like just a regular box to hold the replacement product. That'd be pretty good, rather than having to, package it with the actual packaging box. So there you have it. That's the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 CARE Refresh version. Alright, so we're just gonna power this up and take off the sticker. That side. And take this aside as well. Here are the propellers. Now the drone, you have to remove the sticker so you can access the gimbal. There you go. Alright. Oh, there's actually another piece of sticker here that you have to peel off. There's the camera. Nice. And you just lift. And that's it. Oh, there are also these stickers on the camera itself. So I just remove these guys. And this. Okay. The stickers are stuck on my hand. Okay. So there's the drone. You will want to remove this. And then we'll fold out the legs. Before you activate the battery, use before first time. Open the cover, press and hold the battery release button and remove the battery. Now, if this was the brand new version, it like with standalone version or the combo, it would have one battery already inside. Because this is again the refresh, I have a battery here, and we'll just pop this in. The sticker is stuck on my hand. Okay, so we'll just pop this in like so. This is the battery, and we'll just pop it in like that. And here's the drone. We're gonna press long press. Oh, there you go. Some colors like that on startup. That's pretty darn cool. And there's also a new light on it. That's the DJI Mini 2 on startup. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there's a sticker here. I'll see you in the next one. So if you guys found that helpful, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. See you in the next one.